Okay everybody, so school holidays, art and craft time. We put down the blanket, we're ready to do some soap. I believe this is a little soap and there's some sort of decoration going on as well. Over here we have another little one working very hard on a stick by numbers, which is going to turn out to be a nice pretty picture by the looks of it. So we've got all these different colours, and basically whatever the number is, for example, yellow's 3, we've got orange is 2, blue is 5. Let's see what that pretty picture looks like at the end. So next we've decided to flatten it out. We didn't like the swirls and it's setting, so now we're going to put some nice sprinkles on top, which, believe it or not, will all set and become soap. Okay, we have the finishing touches, which is a mermaid tail and a cactus. I think that looks just perfect. Can't wait to use that soap.